Hi, this is Kirsten. I will be making this kind of thick triple single, and this is what it will look like. So all you need is, if you're making 3 colors, you will need 26 of each color. So let's get started. So I'm going to use red, black, and white. So it's going to be like a triple single. It needs to be looking down at you, towards you. So you have to be going down. So here's what you should be doing. So I'm guessing you pretty much have to make a triple single. So if you know how to make a triple single, then just make it, but you have to stop once you make all these lanes. Okay, so if you don't know how, just follow my directions. Just keep going down. Okay, now we're on the middle lane. So I'm going to make the middle lane white, like this one. Just make sure you go all the way to the bottom, like down here. And you should have extras left. Okay, now I'm on my last lane. So if you need to pause it, then you must have paused it. So I am going pretty quick here, so if you can't keep up, just pause it. So there should be 13, I think, on each lane. I'm not really sure about that, or 12, I have no idea. But there you should have 26 of each color. Okay, now let's go on to the next part. Now we have to go back up to your red, or whatever color you have, your first lane, and then you have to put it over like that. So it's a little bit thicker. So it should have 2 rubber bands instead of 1. But if you accidentally went ahead and put the triangles on, or whatever, and you did a triple single, just take the triangles off and pause the video, so you could get back where you were. Okay, there's 1 lane done. Now you have to take your second color and put it over. Or you can actually put, like, you could have the bottom one, the bottom rubber band, like red, say, and then you'd make the top pink. So that would look cool. Okay, now you should have 2 white left, or 1. Okay, there you go. Now we're going on to the black. You just tear this apart, or whatever color you have. Okay, I'm almost done, so we will be going on to the second part. We're still putting on the bands, but okay, there you go. I have too much black. Okay, now time to put on the thing that will keep them together. So just push all your rubber bands down. No, it's gonna take. Okay, I'm almost done. Okay, there we go. Now time to put on the triangles. So, see this top part? Do not put that one triangle there. Let's make a triangle. Just do that straight across and put that top, middle part, whatever. But make sure you do not do that. You have to do that. Make it go up. You cannot do an upside down triangle. Well, I never have done it. I always used to. Pretty much you have to keep it staring forward. It's almost time for hooking. And I forgot to tell you that you have to have 13 of these. I don't think you would need it, but okay. Okay. Now you should have to put one down here, the bottom. So you have to put one like right there. There you go. Okay, now time for hooking. So down here, you should go down to the bottom, go in to the bottom too. I usually do that. Okay, there you go. And then put it onto itself. Oh gosh, that back up. There you go. So then to keep going up, so it's like a triple single, but you have to take the bottom two instead of the bottom one. Oh, just moved the loom. Let me show you sideways. It is a little bit harder because you have two to put it on, so yeah. So this is kind of taking a while. Let me just go a little bit faster. The middle is pretty easy, I can tell you that. You have to take the middle too. Okay, so I'm almost done with the first line, but I have 2 more to go. Okay, so you know that you don't have, if you accidentally put the top triangle on, just before you do that one, just take it off. This part I always mess up on. I have to push it down. And there you go. And then just take that one and put it over here. Sorry, I didn't show you that, but keep taking the bottom too. Oh gosh. It's okay if it does that. It always does it to me. Oh gosh. Just anyway, the bracelet will just plop it down, I guess. I don't know how to say it. Like it will just blow it down. It will just be like that. Oh gosh. Going to the skip in here. Okay, now I'm on my last lane, so I'll just push that down. Okay, I'm almost done. Well, we're almost done, I guess, but if you're a little bit behind, pause the video a few times, but that's okay. Almost done. Gosh, this keeps getting stuck to me. Okay, so now I'm almost finished. I have to take this one and kind of put it into the middle here. Oh god. This is a little bit hard. You don't have to use your thumb, but I mean I have no idea what this is called, but just make sure you can use your fingers and put it in the middle because that's what I usually do. But in this video, I guess I have to use my hook. Oh, finally, you remember what it's called. Okay, now you have to take any color what you want your extension to be, like this, which is this is a single. You can even do a fishtail if you want, but you're gonna have more bands. Let me take more bands. I didn't know that. Okay, so now you have to put in your hook in there like that, and take one of your bands, whatever your extension is gonna be, and kind of pull it in. Oh god, pull it up. Now, if you accidentally picked up another rubber band, you could just kind of pull it off and just pull it back out. Okay, now time to take it off. Sorry, I have to do it by hand. I don't know why I do it by hand still. Well, I have to because my... Okay, I'm almost done. Takes me a while, sorry. If it didn't work out for you, just watch the video over and try to see what you got wrong and do it right this time. Well, the second time, whatever. Okay. If you want to know a new way to make your extension, here's how you do it. I do it on my fingers because I don't know how to do it on the loom yet. So, I take these two ends, like that, put them on my fingers like a single. Just do that. Like a normal single. Everybody probably knows how to do a single, but if you do it like this, then I can do it for you. I don't know how to do it very good like that, but I'll do the rest like that. Okay, now here we are at the last one. Oh god, I just put it through too much. Okay, now get your S clip. S clip's over here. And put it through like that. Not a good way to do it. Okay. There is your thick triple single. Bye!